I am so happy to be here to see the. I was extremely inspired by these words. Creativity means competition. Uh, Creativity and competition are two very important aspects in life. But as life grows on all of you, I hope you do realize that the only person that you need to compete with is really yourself. And creativity is going to help you when life throws hurdles at you. I'll come there, I'll come there. You know, I was a school topper once and I loved getting trophies. I loved getting awards. And I learned the hard way that the greatest contest in life is not with others. It is with myself. And it took me so many years to remove that notion of competing with others and realize that every single day, if I do something to get better, to make myself better as a human being and to increase the skills of my craft, I am the most successful. I don't have to compete with anyone else. I will be the best version of me. This is what I have realized but it took me a long time to get here, and I don't want it to take so long for you to get to the place where I am. It really involves a balance of the heart and your brain, because your brain is constantly being told by the world around you, this is the way to success. Hustle culture, do 100 things, work really hard, only believe in success. I don't believe any of those things, to be honest. I think that the strongest and the champions among you will be the ones who are able to filter out the nonsense that people tell you about what success is and what achievement is. Filter out that nonsense, please. Because if you are ambitious, they'll say you are selfish. You are not. Be ambitious. If you maybe are not so ambitious and prefer to take it easy, to have fun, they'll say you're lazy and unmotivated. You are not that. You are what you want to be. Do not give that power to anybody else, please. That power is only with you. And you may succeed and you may fail. And I just want to tell you here, fail. Please fail. Because I didn't learn anything from success, trust me. I only got a little arrogant. Success taught me nothing. Failure taught me everything. Loss and failure will be your greatest teachers. Please go through it. Don't detach yourself from heartbreak. Don't detach yourself from pain. Don't detach yourself from failure, because they will be your greatest teachers. And the last thing, I know I'm kind of boring y'all. But I promise you, it took me really long to learn these things. The greatest relationship you will ever have in this lifetime is a relationship with yourself. Not your parents, not your boyfriend, not your girlfriend. The relationship you have with yourself. Because when you hit that low, that real low, and trust me, all of you will. I know you think right now exams is the biggest problem, but trust me, you're just getting started. And when you hit that lowest low, the only person who will be there for you is you. Be your best friend. That's all I gotta say. And I wish and pray that each one of you here is able to unleash your greatest potential. I wish you nothing but success and happiness and good health. Lots of love to you.